Hello and welcome. I'm Vera Leonhardt from the Technical Service Flow Coatings at BÜK. Today I would like to introduce you to our exciting topic: on-the-ground transparency for high-build epoxy coatings without foam issue. The presentation will provide you with available insights into the latest developments and solutions in the field of clear epoxy coatings. Efficient additives are crucial for these systems. Strong defoamers are essential to ensure excellent defoaming in high-build epoxy applications. However, these defoamers can cause turbidity in clear coat applications. The challenge is to finding the right balance between defoaming and compatibility. It's important to note that not all chemistries are suitable for this special high film thickness application. We have accepted this challenge, and I am delighted to be able to present you a great product that lives up this challenge. BÜK 1748. This defoamer was specially developed for 2-pack epoxy clear coat formulations, which will be applied in high film thicknesses and shows excellent defoaming properties without negative influence on turbidity or surface appearance. On this picture you can see an example with a thickness of 3.5 centimeters. On the next 3 slides I will present you the application test results which we have found in our laboratory. On this slide you can see the differences in film thicknesses and how it looks like in terms of macro and microfoam formation, and the most important point, the transparency. You can see directly that BÜK 1748 shows outstanding performance in all 3 applications and all film thicknesses. You can use this product by post-addition in the production, and low shear forces are recommended to incorporate this defoamer. The higher the layer thickness, the more challenging is the defoaming and clarity of the system. However, even here you can see that BÜK 1748 has achieved excellent results in defoaming and clarity. Often we over-evaluate applications only on the surface. You can see from the images the defoaming in the control sample becomes progressively foamier on the surface with increasing layer thickness. However, BÜK 1748 managed to defoam even a layer thickness of 2.5 cm on the surface with a dosage of only 0.1%, and the system remains crystal clear. But what does it look like when we take a closer look inside in the application? And here is the answer to the question. Here you see the same applications photographed from the side. Of course, you see much more foam in the thicker layer, and the control sample without defoamer is full of foam bubbles, and only on the surface but also inside in the application. The sample with 0.1% of BÜK 1748 also delivers a great results in a 2.5 cm layer. Increasing the dosage can further improve defoaming and will not have any negative impact on clarity. If you want to formulate this kind of application, we prepared a checklist for you. Depending on the film thickness, you can use slower reaction binder and hardener materials if you want to apply several centimeters. Also, the viscosity of the material is important. Low viscous binder system can improve the defoaming properties additional. Our new defoamer BÜK 1748 is easy to incorporate with low shear forces and low dosage levels. But please keep in mind that directly after the incorporation a slightly turbidity is visible. After a well distribution of the defoamer, your system will be crystal clear. Depending on the formulation, we have seen that waiting time of 48 hours shows better results in terms of defoaming. And now we have a last benefit for this defoamer. We measured the bio-based carbon content of our product. This measurement was done by an external institute with the ISTM D6866 norm. You can see that BÜK 1748 has a very high content of 73% bio-based raw material. This is a very eco-friendly defoamer. For future developments, we know that this point will be getting more important. Where can you use this defoamer? Especially for 3D flow coatings, this defoamer shows outstanding performance in 2-pack epoxy clear coat formulations. We can improve the defoaming properties with no negative side effect in transparency. From chemistry point of view, this defoamer is a pure polymeric defoamer and has an active substance of 100%. From laboratory point, you can see here on this slide the most important properties. VOC 1748 has no labeling, low water hardness, high flash point, high content on the bio-based material, and the defoamer is VOC-free. VOC 1748 is the key to a more sustainable future. Try it out and join us in the developing innovation and eco-friendly solution. Thank you for your attention. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.